concentrate on the 12th accountancy company accounts. In the next class, we will deal with the commerce. Today, we are going to deal with the company accounts. It's a very, very important chapter. Okay. In this lesson, we are going to deal what is share, what is a preference share, and what is an equity share, what is meant by over subscription, what is meant by the under subscription, how it is issued at a par, okay, discount on a premium, pro rata basis, okay, then call in advance, call in arrears, and securities premium. These are the things we are going to deal in the company accounts. Today's session, before giving an introduction, you should know what is shares. Okay, the capital is divided. Okay, what do you mean by capital? The owner is investing some money. That capital is divided into a small units called the shares. Okay, let me repeat one more time. What is meant by share? The capital is divided into a small amount that is called the shares. Okay, the shares is divided into the two types. One is the preference shares and one is the equity shares. Okay, normally we are going to deal with the equity shares, and the equity shares are called the ordinary shares, which are subscribed to all the people. Okay, some preference having the preference shares. Okay, so our chapter is going to deal about the equity shares. Okay, what is the other name of the equity shares? Equity shares is classified as an ordinary shares. Okay, what is the other name of the equity share? Ordinary shares. Ordinary shares can be subscribed to all the public. Okay, see. If I, for example, for a particular company, for example, I am going to say about a Reliance company. We know, okay, Reliance is asking in what is it? Tremendous changes, okay, in all the fields. It has entered even from the fish market, from the petroleum, okay, from the real estate till the mobile, okay, telecommunication also. Nowadays, we are using in a 4G. In our upcoming year, we are going to use in a what is the Apple brand, what is the Reliance in the 5G also. Okay, likewise the brand has been increased for the Reliance company. So for what all the people will be interested to invest some money in the Reliance to have the shares. Okay, they are very, very interested because by putting in some amount of money they can get a dividend from the Reliance. So all the public, okay, all the people are interested to put purchase in a shares, okay, from the Reliance company. So that is called a Reliance. Okay, that Reliance, they have an authorized capital. Authorized capital means it's a maximum capital which can be registered by the memorandum of association. Okay, and the அதிகமான capital வச்சு நம்ம memorandum of association register பண்ணிருப்பாங்க. So அதை வச்சு தான் நம்ம வந்து authorized capital னு சொல்லுவாங்க. ஒரு கம்பெனி, ரிலையன்ஸ் கம்பெனில நம்ம போய் ஒரு ஷேரை வாங்க போறோம். அந்த ஷேர் நாம என்ன சொல்லுவோம்? இவ்வளவுதான் authorized capital னு சொல்லுவோம். authorized capital அப்படினா authorized capital a maximum capital which the company has. அதுக்கு என்ன பண்ணுவாங்கன்னா பப்ளிக்கு நாங்க இவ்ளோ இஷ்யூ பண்றோம், அந்த கேபிட்டலை இவ்ளோ கேபிட்டல் டிவைட் பண்ணி இந்த ஷேர்ஸ் டிவைட் பண்றோம் அப்படினு இஷ்யூட் கேபிட்டல்னு சொல்லுவாங்க. அதுக்கு அப்புறமா சப்ஸ்கிரைப்ட். ஓகே, சப்ஸ்கிரைப்ட். இந்த இஷ்யூ பண்ணதுல இருந்து பப்ளிக் எவ்வளவு வாங்கி இருக்காங்க. ஃபார் எக்ஸாம்பிள், கம்பெனியோட அத்தரைஸ்ட் கேபிட்டல் இவ்ளோ இருக்குன்னு வெச்சுக்கோங்க, 5 lakh இருக்கு. ஓகே, 5 lakhையும் வந்து பப்ளிக்குக்காக ஷேர் வந்து இன்வெஸ்ட் பண்றதுக்காக டிவைட் பண்ண மாட்டாங்க. They will issue only in 2 lakhs. Okay, இந்த 2 lakhs issue பண்றாங்க. 2 lakhs யார் வேணாலும் இந்த 2 lakhsக்கான ஷேர் வந்து வாங்கிக்கலாம் அப்படினு பப்ளிக்கு ஒரு நம்ம நோட்டிஃபிகேஷன்ஸ் கொடுக்கிறோம். அதுல பப்ளிக் நோட்டிஃபிகேட் பண்றது 1 lakh இருக்கும். ஓகேவா? அப்ப ஆக்சுவலா எவ்வளவு இஷ்யூ? what is authorized capital? 5 lakh. It is in a maximum capital. In the maximum capital the company can issue it is normally lower than the nominal value or the face value. ஓகேவா? மார்க்கெட் வேல்யூ விட கம்மியா கொடுக்கிறது தான் issued capital. அந்த issued capital இந்த பப்ளிக் வாங்கி இருக்காங்கன்னு வெச்சுக்கோங்க, அந்த ஷேர்ஸ், that is called the one, அது வந்து subscribed capital. ஓகேங்களா? so இன்னைக்கு நம்ம சாப்டர்ல we are going to deal about the how we are going to allocate the money on the application and for the allotment and on the first call and on the final calls. Okay, because in a prospectus bank, for example, we can see if for a TNPCs, okay, for the government exams, what we used to do, we used to get an application through online. For that we have to pay some DD. Okay, we have to take a DD through the bank. Okay, the company or the government will allocate this much. For example, we can say for our VO post, it can be in a 50,000. Okay, 50,000 post. Okay, per application can be a 500. Per application can be 500. That can be deposited through the bank. Okay. Okay, in that 50,000, what we used to do? Our public will get application for 5 lakhs. Okay. 50,000 posting க்கு நம்ம எவ்வளவு அப்ளை பண்ணுவோம் 5 lakhs அப்ளை பண்ணிருப்பாங்க ஓகேவா சோ அப்போ ஒரு போஸ்டிங்கான ஒரு அப்ளிகேஷன்கான பிரைஸ் 500 அப்படினா இங்க நீங்க இதோட மல்டிப்ளை பண்ணி பாருங்க you will get 25 crores okay so likewise நான் அப்ளிகேஷன் கேபிட்டலையும் நம்ம அதர்வைஸ் பண்றது இருக்கும் so இப்போ என்ன பண்ணப் போறோம் we are going to deal with the example directly we are going to deal with the examples issued at par okay issued at par means the value which is instructed by the company is getting from the same value from the public okay va 10 ரூபாய் ஒரு அப்ளிகேஷன் வாங்கணும்னு சொல்லிருந்தாங்க அப்படினா அந்த 10 ரூபாய் தான் பப்ளிக்ல இருந்து வாங்கணும் சேம் வேல்யூ வரதுதான் par okay ஒரு அப்ளிகேஷனோட ரேட் 10 rupees அப்படினா பப்ளிக் தேர்ந்து வரது 10 rupees ஆ தான் இருக்கணும் ஓகேவா it is called issued at par okay இப்போ நம்மளோட ஜர்னல்ஸ்ல பாத்தீங்கன்னா ஒன்னு வந்து அப்ளிகேஷனுக்காக நம்ம அலாட் பண்ணுவோம் ஜர்னல் எழுதுவோம் நெக்ஸ்ட் பாத்தீங்கன்னா அலாட்மென்ட் பண்ணுவோம் நெக்ஸ்ட் பாத்தீங்கன்னா ஃபர்ஸ்ட் கால் பண்ணுவோம் ஃபர்ஸ்ட் கால் and final call okay application because prospectors attract பண்ணி நம்ம என்ன பண்றோம் ஷேர் ஹோல்டர் மெம்பர்ஸ் வந்து இந்த கம்பெனியோட ஷேர்ஸ் வாங்குங்க அப்படி நம்ம அவங்க அட்ராக்ட் பண்ணி அவங்க அப்ளிகேஷனை வாங்க வைக்கிறோம் ஓகேவா சோ ஃபர்ஸ்ட் ஜர்னல் என்ட்ரி என்னன்னு பாருங்க page number 230 Thai Limited issued a 1 lakh equity shares I told you equity shares means 10 rupees okay equity shares is called ordinary shares at 10 rupees 5 on application, 2 on allotment and 2 on first call and 1 on final call. All the shares were subscribed and amount was duly received. Pass the journal entries. Okay. Now we are issuing applications. For the application, write the format. Okay. For the format of the journal entries. Date, particulars, LF, debit and credit. In the heading you write in the company of Thai Limited. In the company of, it's not a book. In the company of Thai Limited journal entries okay the application okay first process not to buy the shares we have to first apply okay that is the application money okay application money it is deposited into the bank so first journal entry bank to equity share application equity share application okay it is now 1 lakh equity shares the application money is 5 rupees okay the total number of equity shares is the equity shares issued to the public is 1 lakh and for the application money for per share is 5 so 1 lakh into 5 gives enough 5 lakh 5 lakh. So, write application money. You can write just received. Application money received. Write bank account, debitor. Here also bank account, debitor. Application money received. Okay. The next thing you are going to transfer to the share capital. So, write equity share application equity share application to equity share capital. Okay, the same thing only. We are going to deposit in the application money. Okay va, application பணம் வாங்குனத நம்ம capital share capital போய் நம்மளுடைய முதல்ல போய் நம்ம இன்வெஸ்ட் பண்ணி வைக்கிறோம். To equity share capital. Okay, the same amount only. Okay, it's a very simple. Next, we have applied. Okay, the application money has been received from the bank. Okay, the next thing, what is the second step we have to do? We have to allocate the shares. Okay, we have to allotment the shares. Okay, right? Equity share allotment. Equity share allotment account to equity share capital. Equity share capital. Now we have to check what is the allotment price. Allotment price is 2 on allotment. So total number of equity shares is 1 lakh and the allotment price is 2. So you will get multiply with it, you will get 2 lakhs. You will get 2 lakhs. Okay. Then next, we are depositing this allotment money into the bank. So write bank to which money we are depositing in. It is in a allotment money. So write equity share allotment. The same amount. Okay. The same amount is 2 lakh. Okay. Write the narrations. Okay. Application money and allotment equity share allotment due. Okay, and bank in equity share allotment money received through the bank, right? Like that narrations. Okay, allotment money received, allotment money due. Okay, here you can write allotment money due and here you can write allotment money received. Okay, see, now we have finished only the two. One is the application and second one is allotment. Okay, one is application and second one is allotment. First, we are getting in a money for the applications. Okay, so for that we are going to deposit in the bank. So that is bank to equity share applications. And next we are going to transfer this application money to the share capital. So equity share application to equity share capital. Then after finishing an application, we have to allotment. Okay, that allotment money is 2 rupees. Total number of equity shares is 1 lakh. So equity share allotment to equity share capital 2 lakh. Then this money has to be received. Okay, so that is received in the bank. After allotting, the money has been received in the bank. So that is bank to equity share allotment. Okay, 2 lakh allotment money due. Okay, in this are you clear about the 4 journal entries? Okay, it's simple, just memorize it. Now we are going to read about the first call and the final call. After finishing it, I will explain what is first call, what is final call. Okay. The total number of the shares have to be purchased, and application money have been received, and allotment money also. If the public, those who bought the share, have to pay the amount. Okay. If they have not paid, okay, the first reminder will be given and the second reminder will be given. Okay. So that is first call. Okay. Then you have for this you write equity first and final call. To equity share capital. For this and all same, what you have written for the share allotment only. Equity share first and final call to equity share capital. Right? First call money due. Because they have to pay the money. Okay, first call due. First call money due. இன்னும் கட்டாம இருக்கு. ஓகேவா? இது கட்டிட்டாங்க அப்படினா என்ன journal entry? It is bank. Bank account debitor to equity share First and final call. First call only. Equity share. First call. Equity share. First call. The call money received. In the bracket write first call money received. Okay, moving on to the final call. Okay, the next call they are making up. For that also same thing. Equity share. Final call. To equity share. Equity share application. For this we have to write the values, no? Okay, equity share first and final call. Total number of equity shares is 1 lakh, and for the first call it is 2. So multiply with the 2, you will get 2 lakhs. Is it everybody is audible? If it's not audible, chat it, okay? Through message. Equity share application is 2 lakh and this is also 2 lakh, okay? And same thing only for if the money has received, the same money have to be received. Okay, so for that also write 2 lakh. Okay, then equity share final call to equity share application. For that, the equity shares is 1 lakh and for the final call amount is 1 rupees. So multiply with 1 lakh, you will get 1 lakh only. Here also 1 lakh and here also 1 lakh. Okay. Then next, this money is in a due. Okay. When it will be received? When it is received by the bank only, the money has been received and the final process has been completed. So write bank account. Debitor to equity share final call. Right, the second call money has been received. Okay, equity share bank account 1 lakh. Right in the debit 1 lakh, and here also 1 lakh. Okay, as the board is not clear, it's like that. See, just observe the page number 231. Okay, the example sum, they are given the correct format. By observing it, you write the exercise problem number 1. Okay, clear? Okay, have you observed if any doubts is there? Okay, write the date, particulars, format, only thing. Bank account to equity share application, then equity share application to equity share capital. Then second process is allotment, equity share allotment to equity share capital. Then bank to equity share allotment. Okay, then share first and final call to equity share capital. Then bank to equity share first call. Then equity share first and final call to equity share capital. Then bank to equity share first and final call. That's it. Okay, this is the first problem. Okay, you have to multiply with the shares. In this, there is nothing to difficult to handle this problem. Okay, just if you know the journals, you can prepare it. Okay, now we are going to deal with the second problem. Okay, illustration problem number 231. It is called the under subscriptions. It is called the under subscription. The same procedure we are going to use, but before that, I am going to explain what is under subscriptions. We know what is issued capital, what is a subscribed capital. Issued capital is the company is ready to offer this much of a shares. Okay, and subscribed capital means the public has bought that share. The public has purchased that shares. Okay, for example, what is say 50,000 shares.
The company has the capacity to issue 50,000 shares, but the public has subscribed only 40,000 shares. Okay, noted? The company has the right to issue 50,000, but only the public has bought the 40,000 shares. Okay, this is called the under subscription. This is called the under subscription. Okay, this one is going to be with this concept only.
Super.
Illustration 2, Joy Company Limited issued a 10,000 equity shares at rupees 10 per share payable 5 on application, 3 on allotment and 2 on first and final call. In the sum, there is a separate notification. Okay, they have made only one notification, that is on first and final call. They have made only one notification, and the public subscribed for 9,000 shares. Okay, total number of the equity shares is 10,000, but the public has subscribed only for the 9,000 shares. The directors allocated all the 9,000 shares and duly received the money. Pass the necessary journal entries. Okay, here நம்மள பொறுத்தவரைக்கும் பப்ளிக் எவ்வளவு ஷேர் வாங்கிருக்காங்க, பப்ளிக் எவ்வளவு பணம் கட்டிருக்காங்க அத மட்டும் தான் நம்ம எடுக்கணும். ஓகேவா? கம்பெனி இஷ்யூ பண்ணதுல நமக்கு பேங்க்ல நமக்கு எவ்வளவு பணம் டெபாசிட் ஆயிருக்கு. ஓகேவா? 10,000 ஷேர் இருக்குன்னு சொல்றாங்க. ஆனா 10,000 ஷேர்ல பப்ளிக் எவ்வளவு வாங்கிருக்காங்க? 9,000 ஷேர்ஸ் வாங்கிருக்காங்க. அந்த 9,000 ரூபீஸ்க்கான அப்ளிகேஷன் பண்ணி தான் நம்ம வாங்கணும். அலாட்மென்ட் பண்றது அந்த 9,000 ஷேர்ஸ் தான். ஃபர்ஸ்ட் அண்ட் ஃபைனல் கால் பண்றது நம்ம 9,000 தான். ஓகே? எஸ். What is the first journal entry? Yes. What is it? Bank account to equity. See, by observing you can think that it is a very difficult. It's nothing like that. Okay, equity share application. The only one thing that you have to keep in your mind here, only the subscribed shares have to be kept in your mind, not the issued shares. Okay, the public subscribed only 9,000, so 9,000 into the application money is 5, so write 45,000. You have to write the application money, not on the per share value. Okay, you have to, because we are going to write on the share application money only. So share application money, it is 5 rupees, so 9,000. Okay, write the application money received. Then moving on to the second entry, equity share. Equity share application to equity share capital. Transfer the same entry, same value, sorry. That is 45,000. Here also 45,000. Okay. What is the second step? Moving on to the allotment. Okay, right? Equity share allotment. Equity share application. Okay, now go and check the allotment money is how much? The allotment money is 3 rupees. Okay, so the shares is 9,000, so allotment is 3, so it gives 27,000. Into 3, 27,000. Okay, then we are depositing the allotment money in the bank. Okay, bank to equity share. Allotment money is deposited. It's also 27,000. It's also 27,000. Okay. Moving on to the first and final call. In the previous sum, there has been a separate call for the first call and the second call. In this sum, it is not like that. Equity share, first and write it there, first and final call. 2 equity share, check down the first and final call value. It is 2. Okay, so 9,000 into 2, 18,000. It's also 18,000. Okay, write the narrations. Okay, it's a very simple. In this sum, you have to write only the subscribed shares. Okay, today's session we are dealt about one is issued at the par and second one is the under subscription. Okay, problem number page number 258, 257. Fourth Roman letter exercise, the problem number 1 and 2 is homework. Okay, please follow the example sums. If you have a doubt, you WhatsApp through messages. Okay, pause the videos. Okay, thank you for the time sharing with me.